Your case has gone all the way through trial. Now the jury has the case and they're deciding whether or not you have shown that you are more likely right than wrong. During the course of jury deliberations, if the jurors have questions about the legal instructions that the judge gave them, can they ask the judge for clarification? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney, and the answer is yes, they can. When they are back deliberating in the jury deliberation room, now they have already listened to all the evidence. They have heard closing arguments from all the attorneys. They have now listened to the instructions, the legal instructions specific to this particular case that the judge has now spent considerable time giving them. And now they're told to evaluate who's more likely right than wrong. And during the course of that discussion, if one or more of the jurors are unclear about the judge's legal instructions, they can ask the judge for clarification. Now, how does that actually work? Well, what they do is they write a note saying, "Judge, we need clarification of the following problem that we're having." Now they knock on the door and they give it to the court officer. The court officer takes that to the judge. The judge then calls the attorneys up to now discuss with them the fact that he's received the note from the jury, and now they're asking for clarification of a particular legal instruction that he recently gave them. And now the judge has to fashion an explanation to answer the question, answer the problem that the jury is having. And sometimes there will be objections by one attorney or more telling them, "Listen, Judge, I don't think that's appropriate." Or, "Judge, listen, I think this is a better approach." And now the judge has to consider which answer to give or which approach to give when responding to this jury problem. And once he makes a decision, he will ask the jury to return back to the courtroom. He will now tell the jury, "Listen, I've received this note indicating you have this concern. Let me explain to you the following." And now he'll go ahead and explain whatever it is that he's going to talk about. And then he'll direct them to go back and continue deliberating until they've reached a verdict. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what happens in a civil lawsuit here that goes to a verdict involving an accident matter or a medical malpractice matter or even a wrongful death matter. You know, I understand you're watching this video because you probably have questions or concerns about your own matter. Well, if you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit but haven't done so yet, and now you have questions that you need answered, well, you know what to do, right? I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me because I answer questions like yours every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.